Okay, so in part A, we want to write an expression for the total amount paid to the group. So all of the employees together is going to be equal to total amount. So I'm going to write that as A. It's going to be the amount paid to Susan, Calvin, Jean, and Luxana. So first for Susan, we have a fixed yearly salary of $40,000 plus the commission, which is 0.1 times N. Calvin then is $35,000 plus the 0.2 N. Jean is $25,000 plus 0.14 N. And then Luxana was $20,000 plus the 0.16 N. So if we simplify this together, we can collect the like terms. So I'm going to collect together this, 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 and this first. And we get 120,000 plus, then we have to add together our other like terms at 0.6 N. So there's the expression for the total amount. Part B, we're given different statuses. So first let's start with the silver status. So in this case, N is equal to $50,000. So using our equation, 120,000 plus 0.6 times N, and here is 50,000. And the total amount becomes $150,000. Next is the gold status. So gold status N is 75,000. So we'll do the same thing. 120,000 plus 0.6 times 75,000. And we get $165,000. Next, the platinum. Platinum N is equal to 100,000. So again, A is equal to 120,000 plus 0.6 times 100,000. And we get $180,000. Next, in part C, we wanted to determine which employee makes the highest salary at each achievement level. So let's go look at that table again. Okay, and so for our silver, let's try and calculate how much each person would make. So all we need to do is plug in 50,000 to our N here and add these two together. So for first Susan, we get 45,000. Calvin also has 45,000. Jean makes 32,000. And Luxana makes 28,000. So here the person who makes the most would be Susan and Calvin. Next, if we're looking at the gold level is 75,000. So we just want to put 75,000 into each of our N values again. And we get 47,500. Calvin earns 50,000. Jean earns 35,500. Last, Luxana earns 32,000. So here in this case, Calvin earns the most. So then in our last category, just one more, we can do the same thing but put 100,000 in each of our N values. Susan earns 50,000. Calvin earns 55,000. Jean earns 39,000. And Luxana earns 36,000. So here we can see the highest amount here is Calvin. So Calvin earns the most.